Morning everyone, it's the Kindergarten Rocks channel here. It's been a hot minute since I've done a garbage truck recording. Last time I did one was right before I went to Indian Creek. So we're going to do another garbage truck recording today. Although today I don't have any music planned because I am trying to save that for Thanksgiving. Okay, so I'm saving the music for Thanksgiving. So let's get started with today's garbage truck recording. So obviously there is a new pattern with the garbage truck. So from now on they start all the way over there and then they come this way. So yeah, that's a new pattern that we got to get used to from now on. So we're gonna come right back, and once they come close towards this area, then we will resume our resume our weekly garbage truck recordings. Alrighty, so we are back, so we can continue our weekly garbage truck recording that I have not done in a hot minute. Dude, look at this van go over. The guy right there is literally running a marathon while the garbage truck is trying to get ahead of him. That's the momentum I like right there. So again, I want to remind everyone of today, October the 24th. So beginning at 12 p.m., I am going to be deleting a couple of school-related videos that I recorded last school year. Like, for example, last year's Hispanic Heritage Program, last year's Christmas concert from the choir department, and last year's Black History Month program. The reason for this deletion is because I have to receive permission to be able to record certain videos like those as it relates towards the Focus Act, and I am not going to get in trouble because I am keeping those videos. So therefore, until I can receive proof that I've gotten permission to film these videos, the videos will be put in private mode for a good while until I can receive permission to release those videos once again back on YouTube. So that is the plan, and hopefully it's soon. Hopefully it's in a week that I can receive the special permit, but it really depends on how long it takes for me to be able to receive that. So starting today at 12 p.m. I will start deleting those videos in order for us to avoid getting in trouble because of the brand new Focus Act that's been put in place. If you want more information, then just comment down below, and I can provide more information related to this new act. As much as I don't like it, I still have to be in compliance with the rules, meaning I am not allowed to bring my phone to school. I am not allowed to film on campus anymore. So I'm going to do the best I can to try to provide some of that stuff, but I clearly can't guarantee it. I'll put it that way. I really wish I had a chair I could sit in. It's either that or it's been a hot minute since I've... Yeah, it might be the reason why, because it's Like I said, last time I did this was back in June before we had to go away for a while because of the crisis. Sorry for the camera movement. I forgot to set up my tripod today. Yo, I am not that good of a person when it comes to handheld recordings. Like, literally, you could obviously see the camera's moving a lot. That's how you know I am not that good at handheld camera movements. But the video will not be like that on next Saturday. Also, next Saturday, I would like to invite you all to our YouTube channel at 2 p.m. The new mayor of the city of Lipscomb is going to be elected. I'm sorry, not elected, inaugurated. So, if you are a resident of the city of Lipscomb, we want to invite you to Lipscomb City Hall for the inauguration ceremony that's set to take place on November the 1st at 2 o'clock p.m. In addition, if you do not live in Lipscomb, or if you're not a resident of the city of Lipscomb, we would like to invite you to our live stream at 2 p.m. for the new mayor of the city of Lipscomb that is set to be inaugurated at 2 p.m. on November the 1st, 2025. So stay tuned for that video. Hate this new pattern, but we gotta follow it anyways. I like the old pattern better. Well, that's going to wrap things up for today, you guys. Thank you for watching today's Garbage Truck Recordings. Like, comment, and subscribe to the Kindergarten Rocks channel for more Garbage Truck Recordings. Thank you for watching, and let's have a great day.